Coconut, and in this video we're going to talk about a short conversation between a tourist and a local staff at a local souvenir shop. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Hello, welcome to our Ternate souvenir shop. My name is Ludia. Please go to the front.
Hello, I get a word from my friend that the gift is good. What do you feel here?
Oh, that's such a good friend of yours. Well, you see, in here we sell lots different kinds of local products from Ternate, such as cloves and nutmeg, homemade coconut oil, handwoven bamboo crafts, local batik fabrics, dried cashew, and guava water. We also have banana chips, many kinds of keychains, canary sweets, and other unique items. Please look around.
Hey, tell me if it cooks and name.
Sure. You see, cloves and nutmeg are very popular spices from Ternate. Back in the day, during the spice trade era, many people from all over the world came here just to get them. And even now, these cloves and nutmegs are still very popular.
These fabrics are beautiful. Are they local?
Oh, yes, these are Ternate batik fabrics. You see, each design has its own meaning and story behind them.
What about this coconut oil?
Oh well, this is a handmade coconut oil. It's made from fresh coconut using traditional method. People usually use it such as for cooking, skincare, and even hair treatments.
And what is this?
Oh, that is a dried cashew. It's a traditional it's a traditional snack made from local cassava. There are two types. It's the hot one and the soft one. But it's more popular of the hot one because people usually eat it in the morning with tea, or they just eat that as a crunchy snack during the day.
This looks real nice. What are they?
These are traditional handwoven bamboo crafts. These are made by local artisans using traditional weaving techniques. You see, you can find many different things made from this, such as baskets, tables, chairs, and other items. Not only that, they are also pretty strong and really eco-friendly.
I like the manner of this. What do you recommend?
Well, if you want something useful, I really recommend the coconut oil. But if you want something unique, you can go for the batik, or you can go for the handwoven bamboo crafts.
Alright, I will take the coconut oil, one bamboo basket, and packet of the cashew in this nutmeg too.
Oh well, that's such a great choices. Then let's get to the cashier.
Okay, by the way, how much is this batik fabric? It looks bit expensive.
This batik fabric costs about 200,000 rupiah. But we also have...
No, I will just take this for now.
Oh well, okay, that's also fine. Please, let's get started. Thank you so much for your visit. I really hope you enjoy all the products you have brought from us. And I hope you all the safe trips. Goodbye.
No, someone
Goodbye.